Hey beautiful people, today I have a review on a LED mask. This was kindly sent to me by Mychway. It's a 7-in-1 LED mask. I have tried LED masks before and I have also had facials done with LED. So I feel like I have a little bit of experience with LED lights. They are supposed to have different frequencies as far as like their wavelengths, and each light is supposed to target like something different on your skin. So I'll go through the different colored lights and what each one is supposed to be good for. I do really like using these. A lot of times I would like add these into my facials, or I have one that I just recently gave to my mom. But that one you can't walk around with. You have to like lay there and wait for it to finish. So that is something that I really like about this one, and I'll explain why in a minute. But this is pricey. This is something that, you know, is if you want to do these at home and not have to add these onto your facials. A lot of times when you go get a facial, like that's an extra like amount of money that you have to pay for the LED treatment. I've had it a few times. I do feel like with time you see an improvement in your skin. With me, I like to target aging. I like to target especially like any kind of pigmentation on my skin. So that's one of the reasons that I like to use this. With this one, you want to do this on clean, dry skin. You don't want to have anything on your face whatsoever. That is what's recommended. And you have seven different lights available. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. And this is what the mask looks like. I know it's a little scary to look at. Like my husband and my son laugh at me every time they see me with this. I have been using it for the last 3 weeks and I look a little cray-cray, okay? If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, I have been posting over there when I wear it sometimes, and I know I look a little like the Texas Chainsaw. But overall, I do like this one because it is portable. I have one that I had like to do at home, but that one's like a big thick one and you can't like walk around with it. Like you have to lay down and then apply it and then lay there and wait for the time. This one, what I really like is that you can actually like walk around and continue to function with it. And I think that that's very helpful for me personally, because I am someone who's always on the go. I'm doing like 10,000 million things at once, cooking, laundry, you know, homework with the kiddos. So this is a good way for me to do it, but not have to like stay in one place unless I want to. So this one, the on and off button is right here. It does have a self timer, so it stays on for 10 minutes unless you want to turn it off yourself, but it automatically turns off. Right there on the top of here is where you recharge it, so it's rechargeable, which I really like. And then you also get these little eye holes here, which are also really nice because they block out the light from bothering your eyes or giving, you know, like, or damaging your eyes. So it's really nice because you can literally walk around with this and not have to like stay still. And then we have these straps here on the sides, and you literally take this and then strap it on with like Velcro on the back, and you can adjust it so that it stays in place, but it also doesn't squeeze too tight. So I really like the portability of this. It's really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like when you turn it on, so that hopefully you guys will see that. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see the colors. But you can switch from one color to the next through here, and each one has its benefits, and then it will automatically shut off in 10 minutes. But I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off so I can tell you guys more about the mask. So the lights themselves, it goes ahead and tells you like the wavelengths for the red, blue, and green, which are on different wavelengths. And then this one also comes with 4 additional lights. So a red light is known as biologically active light. It helps improve cellular activity, metabolism, collagen, rejuvenate the skin, reduce wrinkles, repair damaged skin, minimize pore, and tighten the skin. That's one of the ones that I use the most. Even when I used to have like my other mask, that's the one that I would always use. And I feel like most of the time when I go into the spa to get my facials, that's the one that they use the most with me is red light, because I am turning 43. So I really want to target like those wrinkles. Next is the blue light. Blue light helps destroy bacteria, especially the one that has causes acne, inflammation, and helps promote healing of the skin tissue. It has anti-acne, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory effects to help with scarring and pigmentation. Green light is neutralizing, balancing, and it can reduce skin oil secretion, balance the ratio to water to oil, relieve mental tension, lymphatic drainage, and edema. Yellow is cellular oxygen, helps replenish energy, also with lymphatic detoxification, improve skin roughness, wrinkles, and treat redness, fever, moss, and enhance immunity. We have purple, which is like two type of light therapies together, which helps with acne, acne scars, and repairing. Green and blue, it says that it helps cellular energy and very good effective on metabolism. And then we have the white, which helps with pigmentation, fine lines, and saggy skin. And that's the other one that I really use is the white or the red. So another good thing about this is that it's easy to clean. I literally just like wipe it down just with like a clean wipe with a little bit of water. So that makes it really easy to maintain. It also does come with this little booklet, which is where I have shown you guys like the different colors and what they do. They do not recommend this for somebody like if you're pregnant, of course they don't recommend it. They also recommend that when you get this, you try it like for photo sensitivity. So a lot of times you can just put this on your, I think it's like, oh, you put it on your forearm. So you put it on your forearm and expose the light to your forearm for 3 minutes and then see if you have any kind of sensitivity to it. So that is very important to do when you get this, is that you really want to test your arm and make sure you don't have any kind of sensitivity to the light before actually putting it on your face. I didn't do that because I have already used previous LED and have done LED treatments with facials. So I don't really have any kind of sensitivity to it. But if you've never done it, then highly suggest that you try that first. Overall, I really feel like this helps with skincare. I can't say that I've seen like I can't show like a before and after picture and be like, oh my god, look at this complete transformation. But I do like these type of at-home kind of treatments because of the fact that I'm just trying to take care of my skin, make it look as good as it can be, and also just try to age gracefully without doing like injectables or anything like that. And not to say like if you like injectables, all for, like if you like it, then good for you. I just personally did not like my experience with the one time I did Botox, so I just feel like I want to age gracefully and use different products that can help, whether it be skincare or skin devices. So that's like what I'm prone to use. I hope that this was helpful if you're looking into an LED mask. I feel like this one's really good because of how easy it is to use, how portable. I like that it's rechargeable, and hopefully in the long run I will continuously see an improvement. Another thing is that it does kind of cover the neck a little bit, so you get like light here onto this part of the neck, because hopefully you guys will see this when I hold it up. But when you put this on like this light here, like the bottom of it kind of shines to this part right here. It would have been nice if it completely went down a little bit more, and I think they have that available on their website if you want something also for the neck area. I want to say I saw one that like covers a little bit further down, and they do have other types of at-home systems, so definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful if you're looking into a good LED mask that you can also be functional with. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.